Hi guys, in front of me is Google Pixel 9a and let me show you how to customize wallpaper on this device. So, at first you have to enroll the list of all apps and reach settings. Then find and select wallpaper and style. And now mark more wallpapers to pick the one that you wish to add. So you can pick something from your own photos, you can choose AI wallpaper, emoji workshop wallpaper, or any album from the followings. Let me pick, for example, art. And now just pick the one that you like the most. I'll go with this one. Here you can see how this photo looks on both home and lock screen. And if you like it, as you can see, you can also adjust it however you like. Then tap on confirmation mark and now mark set wallpaper. Finally decide if it's for both home and lock screen, then mark just set and wait till it's done. So as you can see, wallpaper is set. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.